Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to discuss about the timepiece gentleman scam. So if you are curious to know about, watch the video till then. As we have found that there are multiple discussion forum which claim that timepiece gentleman a scam because their official website and social media pages are not functional. So let's check out the details regarding this claim and check out what is this Timepiece Gentleman. It is actually a renowned store for watches. It is situated in the Crescent with physical store in United States. The store has both the facility of in-store pickup and in-store shopping, and it has a large customer base across the world. The Timepiece Gentleman is a trusted dealer of Rolex watches, and recently the store is in the news after its store website and social media were not in working. Marco Nicoli and Andrew Ferret are the owners of the store. They team up to create a working business model. So the questions we have in mind, what is timepiece gentleman scam? As recently a social media and discussion forum group considered as storing a scam social after their official website and the Instagram page were down. The Squarespace website of the store is currently down and their Instagram page is not working. Beside, the Dallas office is also closed and their guild logo on the front door has been scattered, creating suspicious in customers' mind. So, the store collected over $2,000 from different collectors to provide them Rolex watches at wholesale rates. Since their official website, store, and social media pages are not working after collecting the money, and the customer consider it a scam. So this is what timepiece gentleman scam all about. So the question still we have, either this is a real or a scam. So store's Dallas office website and social media pages are not functional, but this is does not confirm that it is a scam. Many customers looked the social media and discussion forum to discuss the matter, and none of them have confirmed that they routed the customer. However, the customer who supported the group and said they are a known company with a clean track recording, and such a timepiece gentleman scam seems quite awkward. So presently we also do not have any update on whether or not the group concluded a scam and looted the cash from customer. So in our final discussion we will say that no doubt it is a renowned store in Dallas with thousands of satisfied customers worldwide base. However, due to some unknown reason, this Squarespace website of the store is down and the Instagram page is also not working, creating suspicion in buyers' mind as they have recently collected $2,000 in cash from collectors and promised to offer Rolex watches at affordable prices. So, as the website page and social media pages are not responsive and people are considering it scam, but there is no official confirmation that it is a scam. So we requested our viewers to stay alert and wait for some time, so you may get a positive feedback from timepiece gentleman, or otherwise you can check out how you can claim your money back.